Meet Junction, a VS Code chat sidebar that connects your editor to 7 local AI coding agents through one unified interface. Just created yesterday, already 500 stars. Junction speaks to OpenClaw, Hermes, OpenCode, Goose, Souveraine, MiMoCode, and OpenHands. You switch between them without changing your workflow. Drag and drop files into the chat, right-click to add context, and pick a model per session. It features 2 chat layouts. Compact mode folds activity into accordions, and timeline mode shows a chronological activity rail. It also supports follow-up modes, queue messages, steer mid-turn, or interrupt and redirect. The animated splash screen has a matrix-style rain effect with 10 character sets. Control gravity, speed, bounce, and collision. The wordmark exits through 11 different animations: spiral, explode, float away, Star Wars crawl, and more. Built on a multi-bridge architecture with a modular React WebView UI and a physics-based animation engine. It auto-reconnects if the connection drops. Getting started is simple. Clone the repo, npm install, compile and install. Start Junction on GitHub and give VS Code a unified AI agent sidebar. Links in the description.